Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change screen brightness on Samsung Galaxy A27. Okay, to adjust the screen brightness, all you gotta do is to open up the quick settings menu, and here we have the brightness bar. All you gotta do is to grab it, and then you can go left to decrease and right to increase the screen brightness. I highly recommend to check the automatic brightness feature. Is it turned on? Because even if you decrease, for example, the brightness level, it may get adjusted without your permission. To check, go to display settings, and then you can turn off, for example, the adaptive brightness, so it won't get adjusted without your permission. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.